In the annals of Hawaiian legend, few figures loom as large or as fiery as Pele, the goddess of fire, volcanoes, lightning, wind, and dance. She is revered as both a creator and a destroyer, a paradoxical force of nature whose temper is as legendary as her power. It is said that Pele's fiery spirit embodies the molten lava that flows from the earth, shaping and reshaping the land in an eternal cycle of destruction and renewal. Her story, steeped in the mists of time, offers lessons on resilience, balance, and the indomitable power of nature. The tale begins in the distant islands of Tahiti, Pele's birthplace. There her temper burned as fiercely as the volcanic fire she commanded. Her arguments with her sister, Nāmaka-o-Kaha'i, the goddess of the sea, became the stuff of legend. Nāmaka, embodying the calm but overwhelming force of the ocean, sought to temper Pele's fiery ways, but their clashes grew ever more volatile. Finally, Pele's father, weary of the ceaseless discord, sent her away. He hoped that separation would bring peace, but little did he know that his decision would set Pele on a journey that would shape the Hawaiian Islands themselves. Pele's voyage was one of determination and defiance. Setting out in a great canoe given to her by her brother Kamaholi'i, the king of sharks, she sought a new home where her fiery spirit could thrive. Kamaholi'i, known for his wisdom and guidance, supported his sister's journey, providing the means for her to travel across the vast Pacific. She made the Hawaiian Islands one by one. On each island, Pele attempted to establish her home, but her fiery creations were often thwarted by Namaka's relentless pursuit. From Kauai to Oahu to Maui, Pele left her mark, creating craters, mountains, and lava fields. Yet each time, she was forced to move on, her sister's waves flooding and extinguishing her efforts. Upon reaching Hawaii, Pele began her work. She plunged her digging stick deep into the earth, summoning molten lava to the surface. With each eruption, she created new land, forging the islands that would become a paradise. But Namaka was never far behind. As Pele's fiery creations rose, Namaka sent waves and storms to flood and erode them. The clash of fire and water raged across the islands, each sister embodying the elemental forces that shaped the archipelago. The culmination of their feud came on the Big Island, where Pele made her final stand. Here she unleashed her full power, creating Mauna Loa and Kilauea, two of the most massive volcanoes on Earth. But Namaka's fury was equally unyielding. The sisters battled with all the might of their respective elements, fire against water, creation against destruction. In the end, Namaka's waves overwhelmed Pele, and the goddess of fire was struck down. Though Pele's mortal form was destroyed, her spirit was far from extinguished. It is said that her essence lives on in the fiery heart of Kilauea. The volcano's eruptions are seen as Pele's handiwork, a testament to her enduring presence. Her body, they say, is the lava that flows from the volcano, the steam that rises from its vents, and the fire that glows in its depths. Travelers to the Big Island often leave offerings to Pele, hoping to earn her favor or avoid her wrath. Pele is more than a goddess. She is a shapeshifter, a presence that defies confinement. She appears in many forms: a white dog, an old woman, a beautiful young maiden. Those who encounter her are often tested, for Pele is known to reward kindness and punish disrespect. Legends abound of travelers who shared food or offered assistance to a mysterious old woman, only to later realize they had met the goddess herself. The story of Pele is a tale of contrasts: creation and destruction, fire and water, temper and resilience. It teaches that even the most destructive forces can give rise to beauty and new beginnings. Pele's volcanic eruptions, though fearsome, are also the source of Hawaii's rich, fertile soil and its stunning landscapes. Her fiery temperament reminds us of the raw power of nature, a force that can shape worlds but demands respect. Above all, Pele's story is a lesson in balance. The ongoing dance between fire and water, creation and destruction, speaks to the interconnectedness of all things. Just as Pele and Namaka's conflict shaped the Hawaiian Islands, so too do the challenges and conflicts in our own lives shape us. From the fires of adversity, we emerge stronger, more resilient, and more capable of creating something new. And so Pele's spirit endures, a fiery beacon on the Big Island, a reminder of nature's power and the lessons it holds for humanity. Her story, passed down through generations, continues to inspire awe and reverence, ensuring that the legacy of the goddess of fire will never fade.
If you seek wisdom, why not get it from a god? Subscribe to learn our lessons, and thank you for watching. Lessons from the Gods.